So today I'm here with a new project to share with you and also the release of my digital magazine. So let's take a look. So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I am super excited to share with you our first Christmas project of the season and also the release of my new digital magazine, Christmas edition. Super excited for all the projects that I created and you can now find on my website. So I'm gonna have the link down below. If you are subscribed to the magazine, you can check your email and I already sent by now the new magazine to you. But yeah, super excited for all the projects for you guys to see. But today I'm going to be sharing with you one of the projects that I created for the magazine, which is this large folder or type of like a folio. I'm calling this my book of pockets because I have 25 pockets on this book that I want to use as an advent calendar type of thing and just document all kinds of memories. But also I had just so much fun creating really fun hidden pockets and flaps and little things like that. So I am using for this project this collection by Graphic 45 called The Magic of Christmas. It's an older collection, a classic, so beautiful. I am happy to finally be able to play with this collection. So this large book here measures 8 by 11 and it has a 1.5-inch spine. And then when we open this up here, we have all kinds of different pockets and places to add little memories, and I wanted to do this as an advent calendar so you can put a memory on each one of the flaps, or maybe you can put a message or a little challenge for you to do, or just a beautiful advice if you're giving this as a gift for a kid. I don't know, I just thought it was so fun to kind of create an advent calendar that's just really whimsical and fun and all kinds of different pockets. And I love this collection because we have like a number little tags, so it was perfect to use for this project. So as you can see here, we have two sides of this large folio, and then also we have this center page here as well. So we're gonna start by looking at these inside, and so over here we have the first pocket. So each one of these is labeled and they're not really in order. I think I have like the first 14 or 12 on this side and the other 12, and then we have 24 and 25 here at the center. But as always, all the instructions and step-by-step picture tutorials will be on the digital magazine. But yeah, so let's start looking over here. So this is number 1. So we have this little pocket here on the side, and again, place for a picture. You can write down a little memory and just put it back into your number 1. Here is number 2, another little fun pocket, and again, I just love the collection. It's so cute. You can put a picture here, tuck it behind there, or just simply put it on the back, and that goes right back onto the pocket. I don't know if I made this in order, but I don't know where number 3 is, but I'm just going to show you all the pockets that we have here. So back here we have another pocket. This is a number 4, so again, a beautiful image from the collection. All these pockets are different sizes. They're all just, you know, each one is a little hidden surprise. So back here we have number 3, and this one is a larger layout. Here again, place for a picture. You can do a little journaling with a white gel pen, or just add more pictures here on the back. You can take pictures every day as a little daily, or you can do some little notes ahead if you're giving this as a gift, as an advent calendar for somebody to open a new message every day. You can also fill this with memories of the entire year, and just each day you just remember something really sweet that happened throughout the year as well. So then we have 4. Then this opens up over here. Over here we have number 5, and then this has another pocket. So this one just a little photo mat. Look how cute the little children. And then place for a picture. This goes back into this pocket here on this flap. Then we have another pocket here. Well, here we have number 6, and this is a side pocket there. So again, really fun, really whimsical project. And this opens down, and then over here we have number 7, and then these also, oh, hard to get over here. We have another place for a picture, for a journal, for journaling, and then this goes back into the pocket. And back behind here we have number 8, so this is just kind of hidden here behind. And then we have number 9, another hidden pocket right there. So 8 and 9, again, you can add pictures on the inside, and you can actually have these ones kind of just go on top if you wanted to see the numbers, but I just like hiding some of these back there. So that's 8 and 9. So I think this one over here will be number 10, which is a large layout. So it was really fun to create different sizes, different pockets, and hidden behind one another, so you can put that one right there. And then this is number 11. The little girl is just so cute, and again, place for a picture. So each one of these memories has a pocket. I think it's just so fun to kind of play. It was definitely super fun to create. So then we move on to the other side here, and I can't remember which one is number 12, but it's gonna be one of these ones back here, but we're just gonna look at all of them. So over here we have number 14, another large layout. This was the cardboard for 14, which I love, like the size of it. And again, you can add some memories on the back. The paper is just so pretty that it looks like a vintage postcard, so I'll probably just do some journaling on the back. It's also a super easy way if you wanted to do a December daily but you didn't want to like decorate every page. This is already done, and all you have to do is just come back every day and add your pictures. Back here is 13, another fun little place for a picture. Here you can add a little Polaroid on that one. And then I think 15 was back here, another larger layout, so pretty again, the paper. Then let's put this one back right there. Then over here there's another one. Oh, here is 12. Yeah, so another larger layout, which is number 12. Again, you can add a picture on the back. Then this goes right back in place here. Then this is 16, and it opens up. We have 17 and 18, and each one of these has its own little photo mat place, and you can use the pocket and add more things in there as well. And then this is another one here. Oh, so this is the one for 16. So 16 here is this little photo mat area right there. Then over here we have, I don't know if we found 17 yet. I think we did. Let's see. Oh yeah, 17, 18 is right there. Here's number 19. This one opens down. And then another little pocket. So this will be a place for a picture for 19. And then on this little pocket is number 20. Look how cute is this little image. And then we also have the back of all of these has another little pull down pocket right there, number 21. And then we have 22 over here, so we have these pockets right there. And then this opens up, and then we have a place for another couple of pictures here. And this is all part of 22. And then back here there's another one, and then this one is 23. Isn't it super fun? And I think this is a really neat concept, and you can do it not just for an advent calendar, but if you just wanted a really fun book of pockets and, you know, flaps and things like that. And then back here, or here at the center, we have 24, so you can add a picture there. And then you also have a large photo mat here on these pockets, and then 25, of course, which is the last one, another large area for a picture. And I just really love this cute little pocket here, these little angels, little babies. Super cute collection. I had a lot of fun playing with these. Again, if you would like to see the construction of this book, it's all in pictures, step by step. So you start from the bottom and start layering your pockets up. Super fun to create. So you can check out my digital magazine if you're interested on the tutorial, and I can't wait to share with you all the other projects that are on the magazine. But I want to thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all your support, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.